Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Dealers. My name is Andy and today we are going to talk about what happened to Bitcoin and what should we look out for now. As you can see here, the Fed crashed Bitcoin. Why? Fed hikes rates by a quarter percentage point, indicates increases are near an end. What does this mean? Usually, if the Fed would have said, okay, we're not gonna increase the rates, this would usually be very positive for Bitcoin and in the entire cryptocurrency market. Why? Because if the interest rates are low, this means that the inflation is high, and as you know, Bitcoin is a perfect or very good hedge against inflation. But because the interest rates went up, this is in general not the best for the cryptocurrency market. Let's put it like this. And this caused, when this decision came out, this caused a drop by, let me show you, by around 5%, 5.5%. And the question right now is, what should we do? Because you can see here, of course guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Let me show you here on the RSI. The RSI went extremely low here, as you can see. So Bitcoin was very oversold at this point, and usually always when the RSI is very low, you can expect it to go up again. And as you can see right now, we touched actually this support line here, yeah, and now Bitcoin is somehow moving up again, guys. Okay, so if you're in the trade right now, yeah, this previous, we broke out of this ascending triangle, which is actually more likely to break out to the upside, but because of the Fed news, we broke down to the downside, as you can see. So it's interesting to see, because this previous support line will now act as resistance. The question will be, can we break above it? So if you're still in long trade, let's see how the market reacts right here. If we break above it, and especially if we also break above this line, this would be very bullish. Let's say if we break a level of about, let's say, previous high of about 28.8, this would be very bullish again. And as you can see, the RSI is already moving up. Okay, so right now here's this level at about $27,500. This is, as you can see here, over here, this is a very interesting support and resistance line. Right now we are a little bit above it, so it acts as support. Let me show you what's going on with Ethereum, because this is also interesting to see, guys. As you can see here, also we had the Fed decision. We are trading in this downwards, in this descending channel, okay? And the descending channel is basically more likely to break out to the upside, okay? As you can see here, the rate decision came, bam, we crashed down, reached this level here, RSI completely oversold. And as of right now, same situation as with Bitcoin, we are moving to the upside, okay? As you can see here, this acts as support, and this green, this white support line, support and resistance line, this has been going on since a couple of months already. Right now we are touching it, okay? The interesting question will now be, can we break above it? If you can break above it again, this would be of course bullish. And then we have a little resistance level at 1762. So if we break above this line and this line, then we could go up, because there's no resistance in between. We could go up until $1,800, and then we have to see how the market reacts. Will we get rejected again and go down again, or can we break above this level, and then there's not much resistance going on until we reach $1,867, okay? So that's what it looks right now, guys. If you want to trade, check the links in the description. You will always get the highest available bonuses if you use my links. And as always, guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.